Hi everyone, and in this video we have to compare these two numbers, which is larger. We have 50 to the power 50 versus 49 to the power 51. Okay, say we have 50 to the power of 50. We divide both sides of this number by 49 to the power of 51. So then the second side will be equal to 49 to the power of 51 over 49 to the power of 51. That would be 50 to the power of 50 over 49 to the power of 51 vs 1. So now we have to compare this number and number 1. Okay, so which one is larger? Okay, so then now I have to calculate the number which is 50 to the power of 50 over 49 to the power of 51, which could be written as 50 raised to the power of 50 over 49 to the power of 50 times 1 over 49. Okay, so now we have the same power here, so we can use a to the power m, b to the power m. So then we will get a over b or raised to the power m. Here we have 50 over 49 raised to the power of 50. Okay, and then time with 1 over 49. We separate 50 into 49 plus 1 over 49 to the power 50 times 1 over 49. Okay, and then here we will get, so then we will get 1 plus 1 over 49 raised to the power 50 could be written as 49 plus 1 times 1 over 49. And now we can separate 1 plus 1 over 49 to the power of 49 and then times one more factor, so we will get 1 plus 1 over 49 and times 1 over 49. Okay, and then we will get 1 plus 1 over 49 raised to the power of 49 and then time with, so then we will get 50 over 49 times with 49. Okay, for these two number here. All right, so then as you know that we have limit of n approaches to infinity of 1 plus 1 over n and raised to the power n. This approximate value is equal to e, and so then we will have the answers of this number here is also equal to e, and e is equal to 2.71 and 82 something dot dot. Okay, so then as you can see, e is less than 3. Okay, so that means this number here will be less than 3 times 50 over 49 times 49. Okay, then we will get 150 over 49 times 49, so that will be equal to 2401. Okay, so as you can see, this number is less than 1. All right, so now we will get this number here. Okay, this number here, 50 raised to the power of 50 over 49 raised to the power of 51 is less than 1. Okay, less than 1. Now we have found that this number here is less than 1. That means this number here is less than 49 raised to the power of 51. So the question is which is larger? So 49 raised to the power of 51 is larger. Okay, so now we have already solved this question and I hope you can understand. And thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.